Alright, I'm going to talk a little bit about why I have the investments that I do and what I do to mitigate risk a little bit. My what I call my hard investments are like real estate, my business investments, um, a couple other little personal things that I have that pay me a reliable monthly income. Those are or a stream of revenue. Those are things that are um, they have a little bit of a reoccurring maintenance cost, but also a steady income stream for those. What I call my softer investments are my stocks and that kind of thing. Some people don't really like stocks because they think it's gambling. They like the harder assets, like the real estate and gold and silver and that kind of thing, um, which I do have. But I also play in the stock market a bit because I do understand a little bit. um, I'm pretty comfortable working with stocks. Um, I tend to do a lot of if it's a stock that I really like that I'm interested in buying. I do a lot of research right away on the company leadership and at least the last 10 years of how the business has been doing. The longer the business has been in business, the better. I really only mess with blue chip stocks, um, or ones that are pretty darn close to blue chip. They pretty much could be blue, but they're just not quite there yet. But they're really solid companies. I trust their leadership. That's one thing I look for. Another thing I try to do is invest when things are on sale, which means that the market probably sucks or it definitely sucks. Either that or that specific company has made some kind of mistake that the stock has dropped for a little bit. I buy it when it drops, when it's on sale, and I buy to hold. When I buy something, I'm not a day trader. I buy for the long term. My softer investments are going to pay for my future. The hard investments pay for things now. Um, I buy and hold. I don't really intend to sell anything that I buy, at least not for a very long time. And with the stocks, I split those. Some stocks that I have that I'm interested in are dividend stocks, and some are um, compound interest stocks. And I like the compound interest stocks a lot, which is why I buy and hold for the long term to give that compound interest time to really accumulate and work for me. Um, with that, there was another thing I was going to mention. Um, with the buying and holding, um, and with buying when the market is on sale, when the market crashes or something happens, I tend to buy then if I can, if I have the money. Sometimes it doesn't always work out, and sometimes I really want to invest when things aren't on sale, so that kind of averages out. But I always try to cost average down. If I'm not able to buy things when they're on sale, when the market's bad, I try to cost average down. So I'll get into a stock at whatever price it is just so I can have it if it's something that I'm really interested in that I think is going to do really well. And then if it goes on sale, if the market crashes or something happens to that company in the future, I'll buy again to lower my cost average, which will, in the long term, increase my payout. Um, so that's kind of how I pick the investments that I do. With my hard investments right now with real estate, I'm primarily interested in storage unit lots, uh, coin operated things that I can place in different businesses, and laundromats. Those are my three big right now. I do dabble in single and multifamily units. I like the multifamily better, but I'm not quite there enough to be able to support a a bigger agenda with that yet. That's on the way. So those are a few of my. That's how I choose my things anyway. Um, if you have any tips, questions, comments, definitely let me know. I'm always up for talking about things, so I appreciate you guys.